How has Mexico's economy evolved from the NAFTA era to the present day? Today we're embarking on a journey through time, tracing the fascinating economic progress of Mexico. From the pivotal role of the North American Free Trade Agreement to the present, Mexico's economy has undergone significant transformations. NAFTA, a landmark trade agreement, served as a catalyst for Mexico's economic evolution, paving the way for the country's transition towards its current economic status. Stay with us as we delve into the fascinating economic journey of Mexico. To understand the present, we must first journey back to 1994, the year that marked the beginning of NAFTA. The North American Free Trade Agreement, or NAFTA, was a pact struck between Canada, Mexico, and the United States, with a vision to create a trilateral trade bloc in North America. The primary objective of NAFTA was to eliminate barriers to trade and investment between these three nations. It aimed to foster economic growth by encouraging competition in domestic markets and promoting investment. And for Mexico, a country then characterized by economic instability and inflation, NAFTA offered a promising future. Before NAFTA, Mexico's economy was in a state of flux. It was heavily dependent on oil exports, and the plummeting oil prices in the 1980s had left the country grappling with a severe economic crisis. The government had initiated economic reforms, but the road to recovery was long and arduous. Enter NAFTA, and suddenly, Mexico found itself on a new economic trajectory. The immediate impact of NAFTA on Mexico's economy was palpable. Tariffs on Mexican exports to the United States, its largest trading partner, were drastically reduced, and this bolstered the growth of export-oriented industries in Mexico. The agricultural sector, however, had a different story to tell. The influx of cheap, subsidized agricultural products from the United States hit Mexican farmers hard, leading to widespread displacement and migration. NAFTA also saw a surge in foreign direct investment in Mexico. Multinational corporations set up shop, attracted by the low-cost labor and the access to the vast North American market. While this led to job creation, it also sparked concerns about workers' rights and environmental standards. In a nutshell, NAFTA was a mixed bag for Mexico. It ushered in an era of economic liberalization and growth, but it also exacerbated income inequality and led to job displacement in certain sectors. NAFTA opened doors to new opportunities, but it also brought forth significant challenges. As we delve deeper into Mexico's economic journey, it's important to remember that every step forward also comes with its own set of hurdles. In the aftermath of NAFTA, Mexico's economic landscape experienced dramatic shifts. The agreement, designed to foster trade and reduce economic barriers, had profound implications for Mexico's economy, pushing it into a new epoch of globalization and integration. One of the most significant effects was seen in the manufacturing sector. NAFTA led to a boom in manufacturing, particularly in areas like auto production and electronics. With the removal of tariff barriers, international companies found Mexico an attractive place to set up factories, lured by its proximity to the American market and its relatively low labor costs. This surge in manufacturing fundamentally changed the country's economic fabric, turning it into a global manufacturing hub. However, the journey was not without its challenges. While some industries flourished, others struggled to compete with the influx of foreign goods. The agricultural sector, for instance, faced stiff competition from heavily subsidized American agribusiness, leading to displacement and hardship for many Mexican farmers. Alongside the growth in manufacturing, NAFTA also sparked a surge in foreign investment. Multinational companies, seeing the potential in Mexico's emerging market, poured capital into the country. This foreign investment played a crucial role in modernizing Mexico's economy, funding everything from infrastructure projects to tech startups. Yet, foreign investment also brought its own set of challenges. It led to a degree of economic dependency, with Mexico's economy becoming increasingly tied to the fortunes of its foreign investors. This dependency became particularly apparent during economic downturns, when fluctuations in foreign investment could trigger broader economic instability. The post-NAFTA era was not a straightforward narrative of success or failure. It was a complex interplay of opportunities and challenges, of growth and disruption. What is clear, though, is that NAFTA fundamentally transformed Mexico's economic landscape. It opened the country to the global market, catalyzed its manufacturing sector, and attracted unprecedented levels of foreign investment. The post-NAFTA era was a time of growth and transformation, setting the stage for the next phase of economic evolution. As Mexico navigated through the post-NAFTA era, new economic opportunities and challenges emerged. As we entered the new millennium, Mexico's economy faced a significant shift. The country started to embrace the digital age, with technology becoming a key player in its economic narrative. Tech giants began to establish their footprints, and local startups started to flourish, contributing to a vibrant and dynamic tech landscape. Meanwhile, the country's manufacturing sector continued to grow, now fueled by advancements in automation and robotics. The automotive industry in particular bloomed, becoming one of the leading sectors driving Mexico's economic growth. But it wasn't just the tech and manufacturing sectors that were making waves. Mexico's emerging industries, such as renewable energy and aerospace, were also starting to gain traction. The country's strategic location, abundance of natural resources and skilled labor force made it an attractive destination for foreign investments in these sectors. However, the transition was not without its challenges. Global economic trends, such as the Great Recession of 2008 and the recent COVID-19 pandemic, posed significant hurdles. These events tested the resilience of Mexico's economy, causing periods of contraction and slow growth. But through it all, Mexico showed its adaptability. The country managed to weather the economic storms by implementing various reforms and policies that aim to stabilize the economy and spur growth. These actions, coupled with the country's ongoing efforts to diversify its economy, helped Mexico stay afloat amidst the turbulent global economic landscape. And as the world continues to evolve, so does Mexico's economy. The country is now looking towards the future, with eyes set on harnessing the potential of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and blockchain. These new frontiers present exciting opportunities for economic growth and development, paving the way for a promising future. The journey from NAFTA to the present day has been a testament to Mexico's resilience and adaptability. This resilience and adaptability will undoubtedly continue to shape Mexico's economic trajectory as the country moves forward into the future. In the present day, Mexico's economy continues to evolve, shaped by global trends and domestic factors. The country, once predominantly agricultural, has remarkably transformed into an industrial power. Manufacturing, particularly automobile production, has become a cornerstone of the Mexican economy, bolstering export revenues and creating millions of jobs. Yet, it's not just traditional industries that are fueling Mexico's economic engine. The tech sector is rapidly gaining traction, with Mexico City emerging as a vibrant hub for startups. Mexican innovators are leveraging the power of technology to solve local challenges and tap into global markets, contributing to economic diversification and resilience. The influence of global economic trends, however, cannot be overstated. The rise of the digital economy, the shift towards renewable energy, and the growing importance of sustainable practices are all reshaping the Mexican economic landscape. As businesses adapt to these trends, new opportunities are being unlocked, promising a future of sustainable and inclusive growth. Yet, the journey is not without its challenges. Income inequality remains a stark issue, and the effects of climate change pose significant risks to economic stability. The ongoing global economic volatility, triggered in part by geopolitical tensions and pandemic-induced disruptions, also adds a layer of uncertainty. But, as history has shown us, Mexico is no stranger to adversity. The country's ability to navigate through economic storms, reinvent its economic structure, and seize opportunities speaks volumes about its resilience. Technology, innovation, and a commitment to sustainable practices are becoming the new pillars of Mexico's economy. As these sectors continue to expand, they hold the potential to address long-standing challenges, create jobs, and drive economic growth. As we look towards the future, the economic journey of Mexico continues to unfold. While the path may be fraught with challenges, the nation's adaptability and determination provide a strong foundation for continued progress. With the right policies and strategies, Mexico has the potential to further transform its economy, ensuring prosperity for its people, and making a significant impact on the global stage. So what does Mexico's economic journey from NAFTA to the present day tell us? The journey has been one of resilience and adaptability, a testament to Mexico's robust economy. First, we witnessed the era of the North American Free Trade Agreement, a time that brought about unprecedented changes in Mexico's economic landscape. With the opening of markets, Mexico saw a surge in foreign investment and trade, propelling the nation towards an era of economic growth. Then came the aftermath of NAFTA. Here, Mexico faced its fair share of challenges. yet it showed its resilience, weathering economic storms and transforming adversities into opportunities. It was during this time that Mexico began its journey of economic diversification, a key factor in its long-term economic sustainability. The transition towards the present day saw Mexico continue its trajectory of growth and innovation. Despite the hurdles, Mexico's economy exhibited a remarkable ability to adapt and evolve, all while maintaining a steady pace of growth. In the present day and beyond, Mexico stands as an example of economic resilience and adaptability. It's a testament to the fact that embracing change, fostering innovation, and maintaining resilience are crucial in shaping a nation's economic journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Mexico's economic history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. Explainer for more insightful content.